welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you my hashtag Galentine's 2021 swap package. This swap was hosted by Crafty Barbie 86 guys, and my partner was Amy. Her channel name is Hey Am exclamation point channel. And this is my package, and I can't wait to open it and share what she created for me. So here is the package, guys, and she wrote Happy Galentine's Day to Eileen from Amy. And she's got the adorable little eyelash washi. Love that. I'm gonna try and get that off and save. Love to reuse that, especially in my planner. I'm so excited, guys. It has been a long time since doing a swap, and I can't wait, you guys. This looks so fun. Everything she seems to have attached, so cute, so innovative, from this cute little, little jelly bracelet, I think. Really, really cute, you guys. So everything is attached here. So I don't want to mess anything up. And this is quite heavy. This adorable backpack, oh my god, you guys, this is the cutest thing. And she's got this little jeweled up keychain thing here with all of these awesome tags. And these are very sturdy. I don't know if these girls have a name, but I do love them. I'm not good with all these names, you guys. I'm kind of still, to me, I feel like a newbie to the paper crafting and planner worlds and all of that. But I love it, and it is so fun. And I really do love these tags, you guys. So cute. So she's got that on here, and that could be reattached to absolutely anything. So gonna put that aside. How adorable, guys, is this mini little backpack? It even has a mini zipper here, and she has something in here. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is cherry lip balm. This is so stinking cute, I can't even. And it's called Palm Packs. I don't know, I love it. And oop, she's got the pen. We were supposed to have a pen in this swap, and she sent me a whole bunch of candy. I love chocolate, you guys. Love, love, love it. Downfall, never buy candy, never buy chocolate, because I eat it up. So thank you, Amy. I will eat that, of course I will. And this will be used for something really cute. Love that. And you guys, I don't know if she knows I love cats, because on the box, she used this sticky note sheet to address my box. And it's funny because Crystal, Cruising with Crystal, gave me that same sticky pad in Friends Mail. And I love it, and I still have it. And right over here, she included this little cat-like adorable lip balm again. So I'm trying to see how you get these off. Yep, it opens right here. Somewhere right there. I never seen a little ring like this. These are really cute. I don't know where you got these. Everything is off, you guys, and here we go. This is her Memdex card, you guys, and look how cute this is. I love purple. Hey there. And it's like a jelly, one of those phone little ID things you could keep on the back of your phone, and she has all of her info in here. Super cute, super, super cute. Look at the beach. I love the beach, and I cannot wait for this winter to end. So that is her adorable Memdex. These are her socks, you guys. Adorable. I love gray. There's purple, which is my favorite, and then it's got the little unicorn. So we got that. And then she included some cute little resin charms, and also I think some bling in here. These are really cute. She's got here the mermaid tail. We got the unicorns, and then another mermaid tail, you guys, and some little candies, and then some blingy hearts. And then she was kind enough to have a sachet full of all these pom-poms, and white pom-poms are good for lots of things. And then she included these little Valentine scented stickers, and you get 98 pieces in here, you guys. And I love it. Thank you so much. All right, guys, that is it for today. That was what I received from Amy. Her channel name is Hey Am Explanation Point Channel. And if you guys don't know her, you definitely need to go by and check her out. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, give it a like. Hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.